Storm response, 300 berry each.
What?
I steered. In the rain. That's labor.
You're billing us for surviving?
I'm billing you for my expertise, which is why you survived. If you'd prefer, I don't use it next time.
Fine. 300.
There's also a vessel integrity assessment fee and a post-storm navigation recalibration surcharge.
Nami, I don't have any money.
I know,
So why are you charging me?
because the next storm won't care either.
What does it actually take to not need the invoice?
3 months, operating costs, unbudgeted. Sitting somewhere none of you can touch it.
That's a lot of berry.
It's less than what you've spent on nothing since we left Dressrosa.
Huh?
You've been tracking our monthly burn rate.
Since Alabasta,
We've been 2 bad storms from finished. The whole time.
most crews are.
Most crews don't make it to the new world. New policy. 10% of every bounty reward goes into a reserve account. Untouchable, non-negotiable.
What if I need...
Nope.
But what if it's...
Luffy.
I'll start after this.
The reserve isn't for emergencies. It's so emergencies don't decide where the ship goes.